we are
Adam
and Ellie.
We are going to discuss energy.
First, we need to know what energy is. Energy is operationally defined as the ability to do work.
Energy can be divided into two main kinds, potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is sometimes called the energy of position or the energy of condition. The kinetic energy of a system is its energy of motion.
Energy can be combined into mechanical, thermal, acoustic, electrical, magnetic, radiance, chemical, nuclear, and mass energy.
Firstly, mechanical energy includes potential energy and kinetic energy. GPE, also known as gravitational potential energy, depends on an object's weight and height, while EPE, elastic potential energy, is stored in stretched or compressed materials. KE is proportional to mass and speed squared. Thermal energy is the average sum of the kinetic energies of all the particles in an object, is its thermal energy. The principal sources of thermal energy on our planet are the sun and the earth itself.
Acoustic energy is the transmission of energy through a matter by particle oscillation. It cannot move through a vacuum. It causes particles to vibrate back and forth in a periodic motion. Electrical energy. Atoms are made of smaller particles that are neutral or carry a charge. The most common source of electrical energy comes from the SICS, lack or movement of electrons. Magnetism can attract or repel objects over a distance. Magnetic energy is the ability to do work through a magnetic field. Sources of magnetism include rocks, tears, and electrical conductors.
Chemical energy. Atoms in matter are held together by electromagnetic forces, which with the potential energy and these bonds called chemical energy. Chemical changes cause atoms to rearrange, releasing or absorbing energy forms. Nuclear energy is released through fission, where large nuclei split into smaller ones, and fusion, where small nuclei combine to form larger ones, with both processes converting mass into energy. Mass energy, the energy equivalent of all matter, is the largest potential energy source in the universe. It can be obtained by converting an atom's mass into energy using Einstein's equation, E equals m times c squared.
Energy transforms from one form to another, but no process is 100% efficient, as some energy is always lost. Most human-made energy conversions are only 20% to 40% efficient.
Let's talk about momentum. Momentum can be defined as the quantity of motion. It is directly proportional only to its mass and to its velocity. The unit for momentum is the kilogram meter per second. Divided into two kinds, elastic and inelastic collision. An elastic collision occurs when two objects collide and rebound so that the sum of their momentums and the sum of their kinetic energies are the same as before and after the collision. Lastly, an inelastic collision occurs when the colliding objects stick together after the collision.
A pendulum illustrates energy conservation by converting gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy, following the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Today we discuss energy.
I hope you enjoyed this presentation.
Thank you for listening.